Hello to all my COMEDK aspirants out there. How are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. This is your Ekta ma'am here. So my dear students, a lot of you were asking about the schedule for the COMEDK30 Crash Course that we just launched. Yes, the Crash Course is starting from 6th of April 2026. Okay, I'm here to explain you the schedule. So firstly, before explaining the schedule, I'll let you know a little bit details that we have of your COMEDK30 Crash Course. What is this? What does it include? What benefits will be there? Okay, what is the price and everything? Okay, so my dear students, it's a 30-day extensive crash course that will be covering your complete class 11th and 12th revision plus PYQs. Okay, whole syllabus revision plus PYQs, and you will be getting 5 full-length COMEDK mock test. Yes, every day you will be having live doubt solving sessions. So let's say you studied some topic today, you have some doubt from regarding, let's say you studied solutions today, you have doubt regarding solution. In the evening you will have a dedicated doubt solving session for that particular subject. Okay, every day will be one subject, it will be in rotation. I'll show you the complete schedule, don't worry. Okay, and what other thing you'll be having is lecture notes and DPPs. As we know, you don't have the time to start writing notes, making notes now. Okay, so notes will be provided to you. DPPs along with the answers, they will also be provided to you. Okay, so all you need to do is come and join the crash course and start studying, actually. Yes, because your exam is really soon. Okay, now we also launched one more thing, which is your COMEDK rank booster test series, which have 12 full-length COMEDK mock test. It has test PDFs with detailed solutions, live solution discussions with experts. Yes, any doubt you have regarding your mock test, that will be discussed in your live doubt solving classes. Okay, real-time COMEDK exam simulation. Yes, we try to give you the exam, we try to give you the mock tests that are similar to the conditions that you give in your COMEDK, but obviously it's not that accurate. Yes, but yes, the timer and the number of questions and the sequence that you're getting, that is very much similar to your COMEDK. Okay, so again, this is also starting from 6th April at the price of $999. Did I miss that? Yes, the price for this crash course is $2499, and for the test series only, the price is $999. Okay, now my dear students, one more thing. These are our toppers from the last year, okay, who enrolled in the course and who scored really good ranks in COMEDK. Okay, so we have Arshia, Vinisha, Sweta, Kush, Aniket, Manju, Sunaina, and K. Arshad. Okay, so all of these are toppers who scored really good rank. As you can see, triple and 4-digit, triple digit, 4-digit. Okay, so yes, if you are looking for a crash course to complete your syllabus and do revision and solve PYQs, everything is there in your COMEDK 30-day crash course at a very affordable price. Okay, now let's go back to the schedule. What schedule we are talking about, ma'am? Yes, the crash course schedule. Okay, so one second. Here's your full schedule. The crash course is starting from 6th of April. So yes, on 6th of April you will be having your batch orientation. Okay, it is a must join, and then after that on 7th of April you will be provided all the one-shots that are for your PU1 and for the PU2. Whole syllabus coverage will be there. Okay, all the chapters one-shot will be provided to you on the same day. Okay, on 7th of April. Now after 7th of April you will be having classes in this sequence. So every day you will be having lectures scheduled for you, 9 AM, 11 AM and 1 PM. 3 lectures: physics, chemistry, maths. Again, only 3 subjects are coming in your COMEDK: physics, chemistry, maths. Okay, so you'll be studying only these 3: physics, chemistry, maths every day, and at the end of the day your doubt solving class, one doubt solving class from 4 PM will be at the end of your day. Okay, so 9 AM we'll start with physics, 11 AM chemistry, 1 PM maths, and then you'll be having a doubt solving from 4 PM with physics sir. Okay, and then next class, current electricity. Again, same schedule every day. You'll be having 3 classes. Here will be one shot. Since all the one shots are provided to you, you will be having your PYQ sessions here. PYQ sessions. Okay, and these all are your recorded sessions that will be available in the in your app. Okay, in the Diksha Vedantu app. Okay, and at the end of the day, the doubt session that you are that will be having that are here, they all are live doubt session. Okay, so it's a live doubt solving class at the end of each day. Okay, then again after 4 days you will be having your first mock test. Okay, full length test 1. Okay, after this mock test again you will be having a doubt class. You can discuss the doubts regarding that, and you will be giving related to that test series. You have different doubt experts that are provided to you. Okay, but here let's deal here. After 5 days, again similar physics, chemistry, math, daily PYQs discussion, chapter wise PYQ discussion we are doing. Okay, and at the end of the day you will be having one doubt solving class. Okay, so 9 a.m., 12 a.m., 9 a.m., 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. and after that at 4 p.m. you will be having your live doubt solving. Okay, now once this is done, after 5 days you will be having on Saturday and Sunday 2 mock tests. Okay, on Saturday you will have mock test number 2 and your mock test number 3 on Sunday. Okay, so we started the course on what day? We started the course on 6th of April with batch orientation. From 8th of April your classes will begin. 7th of April you will be provided all the one shot for PU1 and PU2 for physics, chemistry, maths. Okay, and from 8th of April you will be having PYQ discussions from these chapters, PYQ lectures from physics, chemistry, maths, and at the end of the day you will be having a doubt solving class. Okay, live doubt solving class. Okay, then after 4 days on this Sunday 12th April you will be having a full length mock test. Okay, then after that again next Saturday, Sunday, next weekend you will be having the again mock test 2 and mock test number 3, and then after that again you will be having physics, chemistry, math. Okay, and at the end of the day you will be having a live doubt solving class. And on 26th of April, next Sunday, you will be having your mock test number 4. Okay, then after that again the week will go on. Now after this, as we have reached 26th of April, all your chapters will be completed. PYQs, one shots, everything will be completed regarding your physics, chemistry, maths. All the doubt solving classes are happening regularly on daily basis. Okay, now after that from 27th of April revision class will go on. Okay, revision class will go on from 27th of April to 8th of May. On 9th of May you have your exam, right? So till 8th of May, from 26th of April, from 27th of April till 8th of May you will be having the revision classes. Okay, now the schedule is like this. These revision classes will be taken live on the app. On the app they will be taken live by respective teachers. So and for each subject, for example physics, it is divided in 3 parts. Okay, similarly for chemistry also it is divided in 3 parts. Partly revision will be done. Okay, so you'll be combining few chapters and then they will be taking the live classes. Okay, so then physics, chemistry, then on the next day you will be having maths only. Okay, so for example from 27th we are having physics, chemistry. On 28th you will be having maths only. 29th physics, chemistry. 30th you will be having maths only. Okay, so one day physics, chemistry, the next day only maths. Okay, and again as you can see we'll be covering PU2 chapters first and PU1 chapters later on. Okay, because the weightage also PU2 chapters is more than PU1 chapters. Okay, here also as you have noticed we are starting with PU2 chapters first. Here we are starting with PU2 chapter first and then now we are covering PU1 chapters. Okay, I hope you did notice that. Okay, now by the end, which is on your 7th of May, you will be doing top 100k COMEDK PY MCQs from physics, then chemistry, then maths, and then finally on your May 8th, which is the day before your exam, we will be having live doubt solving regarding physics, any doubt you have, and chemistry and maths. Okay, I hope the schedule is clear to you. If you do have any doubts, do mention them in the comment section. I will answer your doubt. Okay, and yes, prepare well. All the best. You got this. All the best for your COMEDK.